How to convert APK to zip on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert an APK file to a zip file right on your Android device. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, make sure that you have the APK file saved on your phone. And here, once you have downloaded it, just open the File Manager app on your phone. And here, once you're inside the File Manager app, simply scroll down and locate the APK file. And here, once you have located it, just select the APK file, and after that, just tap on the More option shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Rename. And after that, change the file extension name from .apk to .zip. And once you're done with that, just tap on OK, and that's it. Now your APK file has been successfully converted into the zip file. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.